A delayed Solitaire cash. Cash out usually means your payment request needs to be reviewed, your account information needs checking, or the transaction has not finished processing yet. By the end, you will know what to check when a Solitaire cash withdrawal is delayed, which steps can help resolve the issue, and what details to send if you need support. Start by checking your cash out request. Open Solitaire Cash and review the withdrawal information connected to your account. Confirm that the request was submitted correctly and that the payment details you provided match the requirements shown in the app. Incorrect or incomplete information can prevent a payment from moving forward because reward platforms need accurate account details to process transactions. The second step is checking your account notifications. Look for messages inside the app or connected email notifications. A delayed payment can happen when an account needs additional information or when there is an issue that requires attention. Review any alerts carefully and complete any requested steps before submitting another cash-out request. The third step is checking your payment method. Make sure the payment option linked to your Solitaire Cash account is correct and available. If your payment information has changed, update it through the proper account settings before trying another withdrawal. Avoid sending multiple cash-out requests while the first request is still pending. Multiple requests can make it harder to track the original transaction. If your cash-out is still delayed, contact Solitaire Cash support with clear information. Include the date you requested the withdrawal, the amount involved, your account details requested by the platform, and screenshots showing the current status. A detailed support message gives the team the information needed to investigate the problem without asking for basic details first. Keep your follow-ups connected to the original support request. Adding new information to the same conversation makes the issue easier to track. The main points are simple. Check your withdrawal details, review your account and payment information, and provide complete details if you need support. Your next step is to open Solitaire Cash, review your pending cash out status, and confirm everything in your account is correct before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix your Solitaire Cash payment issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and reward platform reviews.